So this shop is full of fun, interesting, and unique pieces, and today we're trying out quite a lot of them. So before we start with the first item, I want you to know what you should take a look at when you shop on this website. Something I noticed after I ordered all the items, they actually say how long it's going to take for the item to ship out, and there are so many items that literally take like 3 to 4 months. So I basically waited for this whole order, I think half a year now. But everything arrived and at first glance they all look amazing, so let's dive right into the first one. Obviously I picked up quite some cute dresses. The first one is actually a 3-piece set. Here is the first item, or at least the dress part of the whole set. Look at it! How cute and stunning is it? Like, there is so much detail going on. Bow, it's actually sewed on as well as the other ones. I love skirts that have these different height layers. I think that is cute. And then you can cinch it in the back as much as you like to, so this is hopefully going to look really snatched. But what made this set really interesting for me was actually the super cropped, over-the-top cute cardigan. There are definitely a lot of wrinkles in here, but I'm sure after you steam this is going to look so cute in combination with the dress. Like on the sleeve, there are also these black straps that you can tie on both sides. We actually have a hoodie. And then the last piece is the old school shorts that are underneath. And what do I mean by that? You could also kind of order it separately, but I didn't know by the terms that they were using what was what, so I basically just ordered the whole set. But yeah, this is probably going to look really fun. Okay, what's your thought on this one? So first of all, does it look like the picture? I mean, yes, of course. It looks exactly like the picture. The only thing I wish was a little bit different is that the skirt was like just a bit longer, because I do have to admit it is quite short. I'm definitely really happy there are the shorts underneath. Even though they look ridiculous to me, to be honest, they do have its purpose because it is quite short. But nothing else is bad about it. There's a zipper on the side, it's like really stretchy, and in combination the whole set is cute as well. So I think I want to give it a 9 out of 10. I mean, it looks like the picture, nothing is really wrong with it. It's just a little bit too short for me personally, but still very cute. Now the next item. So they don't just have like really cool dresses, but they also have some really cool merchandising as well. Like Disney related stuff, Harry Potter, quite some cool items. So I really needed to get my hands on one of these merchandising, but I also have to admit they sell out quite fast. So I don't know if they just don't have that much stuff in stock. But here I finally have my Harry Potter merchandising. So you know there are these 4 houses. I made the test. I'm a Ravenclaw. So I had to get my hands on this one. It is basically a really cute Ravenclaw sweater. Like, look at this. How cute is that? It looks like something they would actually wear in Hogwarts. It's just so cute. And I love that it's blue. Here's the logo, and I think it's just so adorable. I also might really like the oversized looks. I think this is just so cute. Imagine you having a girlfriend group. Everyone is like a different house and you're all like ordering these sweaters. This could look so adorable. Okay, so this one is a really cool sweater. Like, it is super comfy. I like the fit that it has, a little bit oversized, loosely fitted. This is good. Also, the arm lengths are great. There's also a little Ravenclaw attachment here, as well as this cool stitching on here. So this is all stitched on. This is definitely really good quality. Not as like print-ons that usually get destroyed after each wash a little bit. It's definitely a big thumbs up, 10 out of 10. And I think it's so cute that they have it, you know, with all the Hogwarts houses. It's like so fun. They do have so many cool options, but you have to hurry sometimes because not everything is available in every size, so... Now, before we go to the next dresses that I ordered, I want to show you the accessories also that I got. They just had tons of items that looked so adorable, so I basically picked up 4 different accessories. First one is actually a belt that has a cow pattern on it. I always find these cow patterns so adorable in outfits. So as soon as I saw this belt, I was like,
yes, I need it.
And here it is. Look at it. It has a heart buckle and then there's this cow pattern on it. It is adorable. Like, look at it. This is so cute. Really adorable. I love the pattern. It wasn't very expensive at all and I just love how it looks. I definitely think I'm going to get quite a lot of use out of it. Then the next accessory, I just can't. It's basically a brown beret, but there's a little twist to it. Okay, let me get rid of that. Okay, are you ready? Oh my gosh. The ears on a beret. Why did nobody ever thought of that? Imagine wearing this to Easter. I really love this hat. It's also so fluffy, or at least the ears are fluffy. This part here is the typical beret fabric, but this is just going to look so adorable. I mean, I have to admit the way that it's made here is probably not the best because it's just literally glued on with a hot glue. Do you see that? I mean, that is not really pretty. I mean, I can live with that because you're not really going to see it anyway, but I probably wouldn't recommend washing this. But still, was it worth the money? Absolutely. And now the next accessory is a pair of stockings. Really interesting one because it is like half stocking, half a pair of tights. I don't know. It's like something in between. Here it is. Okay, I mean, this is cute. Already, this is super cute. Imagine wearing this with a cute pair of shoes or heels. This could look so adorable. I mean, because it's still like thin tights materials, there's a high chance it's going to get ripped, but still it's really cute though. So at first glance, definitely really cute. I just love the checkered pattern. Really another great purchase. And the last accessory before we get to the next dresses. It's another belt. They actually had this one in black and in white, and I did get the white version. It's one of these really cool corset looking belts that also have one of these straps attached to them. And here is how it came. It's a little bit wrinkled and I have to say it does smell a little bit weird and it is a little bit thin, but I'm still sure we're going to make it work for so many outfits. It's still really a great product. There's this really stretchy part in the bag. Okay, now I attached everything. It still smells really bad, I have to admit that. And you can actually open and close it up quite easy in the front. I'm pretty sure this is going to cinch you in really well, and it's also going to make a lot of outfits quite edgy. Now, let's continue with some dresses. So I got two more that I wanted to show you, and this one just looked so cool because it looks like a typical Austrian or German dirndl in a less intense version, I would say. Like, it still looks really cute, so can't wait for it. Hey, quite some fabric. It even comes with its own bow. This is adorable.
Yes.
This is what I'm talking about. Love it. I don't really like the attachment mechanism itself, but it's still really cute.
Ta-ta-da-da!
Oh my gosh. This is adorable already. Like, look the way it is made. What I don't really like is that they put the label right in the front, in the middle. Like, you have to get rid of this definitely yourself, otherwise you're going to see it all the time. So this is a little bit unusual. The strap you can use to cinch it in a little bit more here. It's like really flexible at the back. Then there's a zipper on the side, and the skirt. There are two big layers, so this is going to give you also a little bit of volume. It seems and also feels like it because it is quite heavy for what it is. The red flowers and then the bow on top. This is going to be chef's kiss. Okay, look at this dress. How freaking stunning does it look? I give it a 10 out of 10 because there's nothing wrong with it. It has a super great fit. Love the colors, love the bow. It's so cute. You get like two skirts, so quite a lot of volume. Like, there is definitely some weight to it, and it gives you the flowy illusion when you twist. It's really beautiful. Love that we have a lot of these traditional elements from a dirndl ongoing. This is so cute. For the price that you pay, you get a really great product, to be honest, because I think this was like 40 euros. It is definitely worth it. Like, there are so many details ongoing on this dress and it just fits super great. Like, look at this twist. Woo! Okay, you ready for the last item, which is also another dress because they just really got me with the dresses. So the next dress is this one here. It just looked so pretty on the model. There weren't really that many pictures, but I still thought, why not try it? It also wasn't like too expensive. It was 30 or 40 euros. I do think it is really pretty, but I also think like the part here is just beige or a sandy color, and I'm just not really sure if that is what I wanted. There's a cute bow again. I love bows. We can cinch it in the front. There is a lot of flexibility in the back. Fabric itself is also here super lightweight. This part here is definitely thicker. There's also an additional strap so that you can tie it in the back as well. And I just really hope it's also just going to look really cute. It's really hard to tell because if I put it close to my face, it's like really light. There's not really a lot of contrast to my skin tones. I don't know, it could look good or it could not. So let's try it on. Okay, I have to admit, I still really love it. Really thought it was kind of going to blend in with my skin and that it wouldn't really look that good, but I actually like it. It's really settled, but it's still pretty beautiful. I like that this here is like a more stable and thicker fabric, whereas this one is so lightweight and just like really silky. And I love that with every dress they give you like multiple options to tie it, because there's like always a zipper, then it's also like super flexible and usually always something something in the front as well, so you can really tie it quite good to your figure. I really love that. I do really want to give this one actually another 10 out of 10 because it's really adorable. What was your favorite of the whole haul? Also be sure to comment this emoji if you made it till here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also here's another shop that I tried out. You might want to take a look at it.